In this final video on neural networks, we're briefly going to look at the strong and weak points of this type of algorithm specific to scikit-learn. Now, remember from our previous videos that we trained a multi-layer perceptron to classify tumors as malignant or benign. So let's recap. The stronger points. I mean, some could consider this a downside, but I think it's an advantage. And I'm talking about the ability to build very complex models over large data sets. And if you have high computational power and enough time, you can build really good models fairly rapidly. The complexity of the model lies also in the ability to fine-tune the numerous parameters of the neural network. And scikit-learn is relatively good at that. I'd say it's flexible enough for general purpose machine learning. Now, parameter tuning can also be considered a downside of neural networks. Not only in scikit-learn, but in general, since there can be many more parameters to adjust compared to other machine learning algorithms, some practitioners may find this burdensome. Additionally, pre-processing of the data in one way or the other is often required, especially if we use solvers like ADAM or ADAM, which is the default for MLPs in scikit-learn. Remember how the performance of our neural network improved with the scaling of the data, and it improved quite significantly. So from about 90% to like 99.5%. Now, similar to scikit-learn, there are a whole host of other libraries that allow you to train neural networks for machine learning purposes. Some of them are more flexible and may fit better to different purposes compared to scikit-learn. And I'm really sure you've heard of TensorFlow, Theano, Lasagna, Keras, and other specific or non-specific to Python. Similarly, there are online platforms where you can implement them readily. It is likely that I'm gonna create tutorials with these libraries in the future, but for now there is still work to be done with scikit-learn. Alright, this is the very basic for now for neural networks with scikit-learn. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, because it helps me a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.